Behind a Viomi benchmarking water treatment intelligent plant is a group of dedicated people. Treat every water quality test meticulously. Strictly select every water filter material for a better filtering effect. From water quality tests, filter material selection, and intelligent manufacturing, innovate several standards such as extreme scenario testing. Achieve a purification effect of pollutants more than 99%. A leading multi-stage purification technology, Viomi introduced revolutionary innovation in purification system and waterway structure. From the reliability test of core parts, to the simulation test of user extreme scenario, and the final engine performance test. We refine on every link of manufacturing. Master Series use PWM control algorithm and a multi-stage fine filtering system scheme. Provide a full glass of water in 3 seconds. Intelligent management of device state, far beyond the water production efficiency. Redefine the large influx of water purification. Viomi initiated sterilization of parts in waterway to ensure safety. Assemble the whole machine in a clean environment to prevent pollution. Even for packaging, Viomi uses food contact grade materials and treats with its original vacuum pumping process. Ensure there is no secondary pollution in the whole product chain of manufacturing, warehousing, and transportation. Viomi insists on integrating quality control standards into every process. Adhering to high-quality products. In automated production, Viomi took the lead to introduce the intelligent error-correcting system. 12 full inspection processes to ensure every water purifier is delivered with high quality. This is Viomi Master Water Purifier Intelligent Manufacturing Factory. Viomi. Reinvent the water purifier.